guys, what's up? It's Lauren, and today I have a really exciting video for you guys. Today I am doing a dorm shop with me / haul video. I'm just combining everything into one whole video for you guys. So me and my mom right now are heading to IKEA and I'm so excited. I love IKEA. So I'm also really excited because I want to thank IKEA for partnering with me on this video. I just love IKEA. So when they're like, do you want to partner? I was like, of course I want to partner with you guys. My last year, my senior year, so I really want my dorm to be extremely cute, and I know they have tons of really great, affordable, cute items that I could bring for my dorm. Me and my mom are gonna head to IKEA now. It's like 10 in the morning, but we're gonna head there. So we've reached IKEA and my mom has her IKEA bag. So we're gonna go inside. There we go. That's cute.
Creating your dream kitchen.
Ooh, the bathroom. Yeah. I kind of like the plants. Like I want to get these plants for my room, like the fake ones. I feel like I have my own like house.
You can live here with two kids.
Yeah. It's like your own little house that they have. Well, I like also like this is nice, like the little storage thing for the bathroom, to put in the corner.
Yeah, so each one of you can hang up your towels and stuff. That's actually a very good idea.
Cute. Again, the plants. I like the plants. This is also a lot of nice storage too. Like I like how you can put it on the wall so it doesn't take up that much space. Okay, I'm in love with this area. It's so cute. I love this blanket too. The faux fur one, this one. I just like the wooden accents. Oh, we found a lot of like furniture pieces. I just have to see if they fit in my dorm. So we have a lot of options. Okay, I really like this. I kind of like, it's almost like a Western theme. It's fun. Yeah, but we could fit something like this in the bathroom. Yeah. So this is nice. It holds a lot of things in it. It does
hold a lot of stuff. I mean, $70, but it's so wood. It's actually
yeah, it's good. You could probably find and they have like little matching soap things too. So we got some food. What did you get? The salmon salad?
It's a salmon salad.
And then I got the vegetable balls. So we picked this bedspread. It's kind of like just a white one. And then we're getting the insert.
You want to get a good pillow.
Over here, we're in the plant section. So many plants. We also got 2 shopping carts. I feel like we're making a scene in the store with all this.
You still want that?
Yes. It's cute. So we just finished up at IKEA and we've been there for like 5 hours. We literally got lunch and everything, but it was really nice. So we're now done and we got here at like 11 and now it's 3:31. So we're finally done. And we have everything. We have some stuff in the back seat and stuff, but we fit everything in the car, so that's good. Hey guys, what's up? So I am back home and I hope you guys like that little IKEA vlog. So I know this video is super long, but I just wanted to show you guys a little bit around IKEA and me shopping and stuff, and I thought it would go really well with the video. But I just unpacked my whole entire car and laid everything out. So we're gonna jump into the haul video. Guys, what's up? So now we're into the dorm haul part of the video and I'm so excited to show you guys everything that I ended up picking up from IKEA. My old dorm used to be extremely colorful and like really bright, and I wanted to kind of make it a little bit different and go for more cooler tone colors, more neutral colors. So I completely re-renovated my dorm space, which I'm really excited about. And I kind of stuck with like a black, white, gray neutral theme and some pops of green. And I thought that would kind of be like a more mature type dorm look, because me and my mom were in there for probably like 5 hours. But we literally ate lunch there and everything, so we made a day out of it. If you guys are interested in any of these products, I'll have them all linked down below, so you guys can check them out for yourself and shop them on IKEA.com or go on in-store to IKEA itself. So I will have all those products linked, so why don't we jump into it. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys are my bedroom items. I went for sort of like a rustic type of look, I guess. I'm not really exactly sure what to name it. So I got a couple of plants. So the first one that I got was this one here, just kind of like a spiky plant, and these were really inexpensive. And then I got this one here, maybe for my window. I got it in this little silver pot. I then got this little set of 3 succulents, and I really like these for my desk, I was thinking, just to maybe put like around my lamp or something. And then I got these 2 plants here, and I wanted to put these 2 plants maybe in the kitchen, and I was thinking of putting them in this thing, which is this little wooden like holder. So I don't know if you guys can see from this picture here, but it has the 2 little sides going up and then a little front section. So you can just put some little plants and it looks really, really cute, kind of like farmy, rustic-y. If I can find pictures, I'm going to insert them over here. So if I find a picture of this item, I will have it inserted right over here so you guys can see what it looks like. For my room, got my bedspread, and I always tell myself I'm not gonna get a white bedspread, but I ended up getting a white bedspread because it just matches with everything and it's super easy. So I got this one here. It's Ophelia Voss is the name of the bedspread. So I really like this. It has some texture to it, which is really nice. I like kind of like a white textured bedspread. So I got this one, and this is part of like a duvet set. So I thought this would be really cute. I ended up getting this sheet set here, which is a really dark gray, so I thought it'd be kind of a cool contrast with the white. And this is Divala, it's called, the sheet set, so I really like it, and I punctured a hole in it already, so of course. Next, I got these 2 runners, and I'm gonna put one of these on the kitchen table and one of these on my desk in my room. So I really like them. They have this kind of tribal-y type of print to it, like a, I don't even know, like zigzaggy chevron-y type print. And these are the Godag style. So I really like these. They were super inexpensive. I think they were like $5 for these. And I got this laundry basket, which I'm obsessed with. And it just kind of has, again, this kind of like tribal-y geometric type print to it. And these brown little handles here. Thought this was a fun laundry basket. And this one is the Plumsa design, but it was really cute. I think it was like $9. Then I got this clock. I love this clock. It was the perfect green I was looking for. It's this muted mossy green color, which I really like a lot, and I thought it would be a good addition as like a wall clock to my room, and I could put it maybe like above my bed or something. I was gonna like figure that out. Some wall art because I wanted to do some frames above my bed and around my bed. I thought it would look kind of cool. So I did find some really cute wall art. So the first one I found was, again, I was sticking with that pop of green. So I found this like green leafy one, and I thought it was really pretty. It's really simple, but I really liked it. I thought with this framed, it would look really pretty. And very like adult. I then got this frame. It's just a plain black like thin frame for that photo. So I thought this would be really pretty, and the black frame against a white wall, again, I thought would look really nice. And then I also got this second frame for my next photo that I'm going to show you guys, but these ones were really good frames. They're really inexpensive. Next picture that I got was this one. I like to have quotes on my wall, so this one says, "Enjoy the little things," and I like the typography of it and the quote, and I thought it was really cute. So I thought this would be a nice one to add to my wall. This is my last piece of wall art that I got, and I love it so much. I'm going to put, I think, this one above my bed, and it's just this moose head, but I thought it was really cute and simple, and I'm going to put this, like I said, above my bed. I got a rug for my room, and it's going to be a little hard to see, so if I could insert a picture over here, I will, of the rug. But it's pretty much just a white rug that I'm going to put on my floor. Obviously, I just like having rugs for the floor, so this one is just a white, you can't really see it, but it's just kind of like a white, off-white rug with some black specks in it. But for my dorm tour that you guys will be seeing, I will show you guys all of this stuff in my dorm tour. So if you can't get a good look at it now, I definitely will show you guys in my dorm tour. But this one is called the Alhede rug, A-L-H-E-D-E. It's really pretty. So I then got this lamp here, and this lamp was only $10, which was an amazing deal. And again, if I can find a picture, I will have it over here. But it's just this black, like tall, stand-up type lamp. It's like a thin lamp with the pole, and it's just black. So I thought it would be simple and easy for my dorm room. So next I got so many pillows, and I love pillows, and I have so many throw pillows, but I really wanted to change them all up. A lot of mine are really bright and colorful, and I wanted more neutral throw pillows. So the first one that I got, I'm going to use for the living room. I got 2 of this pillow, so I'm going to put one on one couch and one on the other. So it's just this black and white striped type of pillow. I thought it was really cute, and it looks like this, and this one is the Vandala pillow. For my room, got 2 of these pillows, which I'm obsessed with these. These are this like cow print type pillow, and I really liked it because it was pretty subtle and neutral, but it still adds something to the room. So I got 2 of these cow print ones, and these were called the Ranvig pillows. I think I'm gonna put these two on my bed, and I think they'll look really cute. I then got two just plain black pillows, so this one's kind of boring, but these are the girly pillows, and again, they're just plain black, but I'm gonna add these to my living room. Okay, and then I got this pillow, which I got just one of this pillow, and I'm obsessed with it. It's just this like faux fur, like fuzzy, I don't even know, but I thought it looked really cute with the cow pillows on my bed and the white like bed sheet that I'm putting on, so I thought it'd be really cute, and I really liked it. I wanted to get something that was matching with the pillow, so I got the matching throw. So I got the faux fur matching Lizanne throw, and I love this thing. It's so fuzzy, it's identical to the pillow. So I got two plain white pillows, which I'm just gonna throw on my bed. And I got my duvet insert as well, so this is just a twin duvet insert, and I got the warm one. They have like a one if you are kind of really hot at night and you want a cooler one, or if you're really, really cold at night and you want a warmer one. So I'm usually cold, so I got the warmer one. So I got the inner 20 by 20 pillow insert, if you guys are wondering what the pillow inserts look like. So those were just for my little square pillow. I just got a trash can for my room. I got just a simple white plain trash can. I have always bought these like super fancy trash cans, and they always get really gross, so this one was literally 99 cents. And then for my kitchen, I ended up getting this here, which is just like a drying rack. I always need these, and I just got a white one. I thought this would be really simple just to have all our dishes dry on and stuff like that, so I just grabbed this, and then I also grabbed some dish towels. So I got this gray kind of squared dish towel, and then it came with a white one as well. I went for like a bluey theme, so the first thing I got was this little soap dispenser. It's just this like dark blue, and I also got this toothbrush and toothpaste holder as well, so this would be really cute. We have like granite countertops, and I got the matching little trash can. And what I like about this trash can is it has a lid, and I love trash cans with lids. I just think it helps keep everything contained and it's not as gross. So this one you can just open like this, and I thought it was really cute. I also got these are like the suction cup like towel holders and towel rack. So what I like about these is you don't need to actually have any nails involved, and I know for college dorms you're not allowed to nail anything into the wall. So I can put my towels on these, I can put like a robe on this, pretty much whatever I want, and they have the rack and then some little holders as well. A little toilet cleaner. This is kind of random, but I like to have these with me in my dorm. And then I got the shower curtain. This is the salt groomed shower curtain, and it's just plain white, but I wanted something that was just really simple so I can just do fun decorations in the bathroom. So I just got this plain white one, and it's really cute, and it has like a really nice like light stripe texture to it. I then got a navy bath mat, so this is what it looks like, and it's one of those really soft ones. So I really like this. I like really soft bath mats, so this one was really great, and it's really, really big, which I also wanted a huge bath mat. And then I just got some matching towels. So I got like hand towels, face towels, like a bath towel, just tons of towels. And then my last things for my haul video that I got were these two little placemats. And instead of using these for the actual table, since I have that run that I'm using, I'm gonna put these on the two little side tables in the living room. So I thought that they would look really cute. I could put like a little middle centerpiece and cover them with these. Guys, so that was my IKEA dorm haul video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to check out IKEA. I'll have everything linked down below. I'll have IKEA's website linked down below, and then all the products that I purchased in this video, if you guys are interested, linked down below as well, so definitely check that out. I also want to thank IKEA for partnering with me on this video. I found so many cute and affordable items for my style. I'm really excited about my dorm this semester, and I'm going to be doing a dorm tour when I get to school at the end of August. I want you guys to comment down below what kind of theme you guys are doing for your dorm room, or if you guys aren't in college yet or you're out of college, kind of what your theme is for your bedroom. I'm just interested because I feel like everyone has such different styles. So yeah. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.